It's roughly 8 months since the Kenyan courts began delivering bold rulings upon bold rulings. This may not have happened under the old constitutional and political order.
We have an element of judicial activism that is creeping in the country. I am not sure that judicial activism is a good thing, and I support. But I've always insisted, let an activism be based on a clear cause.
Among the latest rulings and events in the corridors of justice that have become the subject of discussion is the blow dealt to the second highest judicial officer in the land by the judiciary itself. The tribunal recommended by the Judicial Service Commission to investigate the conduct of Nancy Baraza found her guilty and called for her dismissal.
Ingekuwa ni ile siku za zamani na kueleza kwamba hata kama hiyo tribunal ingewekwa wangekuja waangalie waseme hapana, hiyo ni fitina na wewe endelea kazi yako.
Just yesterday, the appeal court sitting in Nakuru humiliated former President Daniel Arap Moi by ordering him to vacate a 110-acre piece of land to a settler farmer called Malcolm Bell in Kabarak, Nakuru County. The High Court ruling against the 47 county governors appointed by President Mwai Kibaki was also a warning that nobody or institution was above the law. Last month, the High Court in Mombasa delivered yet another landmark ruling, lifting the ban on the Mombasa Republican Council, a secessionist group.
Ambayo Allah amenipa ushindi ambao nilikuwa nautafuta.
Top government officials were taken aback by the ruling. High Court Judge Nicholas Ombija also stunned many, especially in the executive, when he delivered an audacious ruling no other African judiciary had ever made. He ordered for the arrest of Sudan's president, Omar al-Bashir, should he set foot on Kenyan soil. At a roundtable organized by the National Conservative Forum, senior advocates assessed the path judicial activism was taking in Kenya.
We may move from an extreme where judges were apprehensive about disagreeing with the executive to an extreme where judges feel that they are lionized when they make decisions that are contrary to the interests of the state.
In all these cases that you are talking about, you've heard that there are appeals that are being filed in the Court of Appeal.
Let us not get judges who think that they should behave like the civil society, who should adopt the mentality of a civil society. That would be a wrong judge, and we do not want that kind of judge at all.
All major cases of corruption have never succeeded in our courts. You don't know what is the problem.
To the judges and magistrates, and to a large extent the general public, the bold rulings made in the recent past herald a reformed judiciary intent on making a clean break from its tainted past. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen TV, Nairobi.